Have you ever wondered how doctors can see inside your body without opening it? Or how scientists discover things that no one has ever seen before? What if I told you that a brave woman helped change medicine and science forever? Today, we are learning about Marie Curie, one of the most important scientists in history, and a true hero of Women's History Month. Marie Curie was born in 1867 in a country called Poland. When she was a little girl, her name was Maria, and she loved reading books, loved learning math and science, asked lots of questions about the world. But there was a big problem. At that time, girls were not allowed to go to university in Poland. That was very unfair. So Marie and her sister made a brave plan. They joined a secret school called the Flying University. It was called that because classes moved from house to house so the authorities would not discover them. Marie and her sister studied quietly, sometimes hiding their learning, because they believed education was powerful. Imagine wanting to learn so much that you were willing to study in secret. Later, Marie moved to Paris, France, to study science at the Sorbonne, a famous university. She worked very hard sometimes, studying late into the night to achieve her dream. Marie Curie became a scientist who studied something called radioactivity. Radioactivity is energy that comes from certain materials. At the time, this idea was brand new and mysterious. Marie and her husband Pierre Curie worked together in a small laboratory. It was cold. It was simple. It was not fancy at all. But inside that tiny lab, they made huge discoveries. They discovered two new elements: radium, polonium, which Marie named after her home country, Poland. These discoveries changed science and medicine forever. Because of her research, doctors learned how to use radiation to help treat diseases like cancer. Marie Curie made history in an incredible way. She became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes, the only person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different sciences, physics and chemistry. That is amazing. She proved that women belong in science. She showed the world that intelligence, courage, and hard work matter more than anything else. Marie's life was not easy. She faced unfair treatment because she was a woman, money problems, the heartbreaking loss of her husband, Pierre, but she kept going. During World War I, Marie helped create small mobile X-ray machines to help doctors treat injured soldiers. She even drove the vehicles herself to hospitals near the war. She believed science should help people, and she never stopped learning. Here are some fun facts kids love. Marie loved studying so much that she sometimes forgot to eat. She carried small test tubes of radioactive material in her pockets. Scientists did not yet know it could be dangerous. Her daughter, Marie Curie, also won a Nobel Prize. Marie's original notebooks are still radioactive today and are stored safely. She truly lived for discovery. Because of Marie Curie, hospitals use radiation to treat patients, doctors use X-rays to see broken bones, scientists study atoms and energy. Girls around the world feel inspired to become scientists. During Women's History Month, we celebrate women like Marie who opened doors for others. She reminds us that curiosity is powerful. Education is worth fighting for. Courage can change the world. You do not need a laboratory to be like Marie Curie. You can ask questions, read every day, try safe experiments with a teacher. Keep going when learning feels hard. Believe that girls and boys can both be scientists. Big discoveries start with small questions. Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood." What a powerful message. So the next time you wonder how something works, follow that curiosity. You might be the next great scientist. Thank you for learning about Marie Curie with glowing pedagogy. And remember, keep glowing, keep learning, keep asking questions.